So this is a really cool time capsule that came in that we just got done doing some work on to get it strictly drivable. Sentimentals piece here was an inheritance to a guy. I believe it was his father's car. I believe he was the original owner. It's been sitting in a garage nearby, about 2 miles from where my shop is here. It's a 60 Coupe DeVille, and man, is it cool. This is probably going to end up for sale here at some point in the very near future, because the goal for the owners on this was for us to get it running and driving. They wanted to take it by the old man's grave and wave and put the grandkids in it, take some pictures. But what a cool piece of history, guys. But what a really cool car. And yeah, this is the kind of stuff we get to work on. And again, the goal was just to get it running and driving, and we've done some test drives on it and think it's going to do what they want to do. And then the next person can take it from there and make it a project or do whatever they want. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thanks for watching.